Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another video tour. So today I'm over here on the southwest Las Vegas Valley, just on the south side of the 215, just right up, I'm sorry, not the 215, you big dummy, Blue Diamond. So Blue Diamond is just right up this road right here, so you have a lot of ample shopping. So today we're going to be touring this lovely new community, all right? Wesley Park. That's right, by American West Homes. We got 4 models, but we're going to take a look at this 3-story. And the reason why we are here today is because of a special guest. I'm going to give a quick shout out, right? Kael out in Hawaii, cuz that's right. We're going to be touring the Sheffield model right here. And also one more client too as well. Another client that is out here. Brenda and Glenn, that's right. So this model right here is a 3-story, 2,845 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bath, 2-car garage. The base price, which is the asking price, $425,500 on this thing. Now we're gonna go inside. We're gonna take a look at this attention to detail. I do love the balconies. I do love the pop-outs and love the color combo. However, I probably would have preferred this to be a little bit more darker, so that way you have a little bit more pop. So let's go in, let's explore, let's see what you get for your money for the base price. Now, a couple things I do want to show you. You got a couple A-frames here. You got the subfloor, so they're going to put 2 more properties right there. But anyway, I just got sidetracked. Here we go. So we have some pavers. But give me just a second. I got to do something real quick. Here we go. All right. Let's take a look here. Now, American West is now owned by Pulte Homes. The exterior is all stucco. You have a 1-foot eave. Sidings are all wood. And the concrete here, or the stucco, is used with a trowel. I prefer a spray on. Let's take a look what kind of gas meter they got. They got a 1-inch, actually a 2-inch gas meter. I mean a gas line. Right here is your pressure breaker valve. Now they make a cover for this, and now keep in mind, you see how you have your sun exposure coming here, sitting on the west, because this is the west side of the home. When the sun starts setting on this, it starts baking on this. This piece right here will run you about $200. So they actually do make a cover. I think I'm gonna have a link in the description below, so that way you can actually buy that cover through Amazon. Am I affiliated with Amazon? Yes, I am. Also, looks like they do have the for the pest control, where it's inside the interior walls here. You have an AC unit right here. That is actually for the garage here, for the subcontractors here. Okay. Now, hopefully, I'll be able to walk one of these models, probably like one of these right here, so that way I can show you the inner bones of their product. Okay. So we have a nice 2-car garage. Unfortunately, I can't get into the garage, so we won't be able to see if there's a 2-foot span on each side. So we're coming in the property. Let's go. Enough chit-chatting, right? So you got 24 by 12 on the tile with a 6-inch stagger here. So in the first floor, it's not that huge, okay? Now with American West, it's pretty much just all track homes, cookie cutters on here. Now with their Pulte product, it's going to be a little bit more high end. Now with this builder, you only have limited options of what you can pick. It's not like you're really going to the design studio like Pulte and you'll have endless countertops, okay? You're going to be limited. Got the under-mounted sinks, Moen faucet. Now, the plumber here is Focus Plumbing, and you have your 0.5 horsepower, it looks like, for your garbage disposal. Okay. Let's see what we have here. Whirlpool package appliances. Now, the refrigerator, washer, and dryer are not included, but you can definitely pay for that if you choose to. Now you have a center island here, And you have a upgraded quartz here. It looks like a 1-inch quartz. Pantry. Let's take a look at the pantry. You got 6/8 on the doors. I believe this is a standard door panel. Okay. See what else we got. You got the surround sounds. You got the traverse LED lights. Those are not included. You have a 6/8 on the door. Dual pane windows on here. Okay. This is not your top-notch slider. Just a standard slide. Cover patio here. This, on the aftermarket part, you might want to shop this because we can price this out at $15 a square foot for this covered patio. Okay. I believe the average lot size, it looks like 100 by 40 on the lot size. You got a orange peel texture. You got 2 inches on the baseboards here. Looks like we have some storage underneath the staircase. Okay. Use that as a coat closet or something. You know what would be kind of cool is you put like a little doggy door here, all right? And this could be like the, what do you call, doghouse, right? It's kind of cool. Right here we have our 2-car garage. Then we have our half bath. However, it says right here that it is private bathroom. Please do not open. And this is locked. The reason why they probably locked this is for the contractors here. Now, we're going to come upstairs to the second floor. All right. Now, there are no lots currently available at this time. You definitely need to be on the reserve. The good news is that right down the road from here, they have a new community that is opening up. It's called Liberty. They just got some more lots. I did videos on the Liberty probably like months ago. I'm going to have to find that. Now, I think they're building about 170 lots. And we talked about this early bird gets the worm. This is not even released yet. But everything has all been graded. But if you're serious, you're interested in like these 3 stories, these 2 stories, this style home, I can get you in. It's only about 5 minutes from here. It's not that far. It's right next to the Raider Stadium. Let me know in the comments below, and I'm going to connect you with my guy Scott, and we'll get you guys going. First on the list, baby. Early bird gets the worm. So this must be the master here. So as you can see, you have a lot of brand new stuff, but it's not highly upgraded. Okay? You got the Corian countertops, cast iron sink. You have the chrome Moen faucet here. You have your mirror, medicine cabinet. Off to the left, you have your tub shower combo. Okay? And again, you have the 4-piece Corian on here. But this is a nice deep tub. Gives you some space for 2 people. I don't know when was the last time I took a bath. Now off to the right here, we do have a water closet. I believe you have an option to put a door right here if you choose to. I definitely would add a door. Ceilings on the second floor are 8-foot ceilings at this time. Okay? I'm getting calls like crazy. You have another medicine cabinet here. You have traverse lights again. You got the pre-wire. You got the surround sound. So it looks like on this build here you have a 8-inch supply can. And you got a jumper duct right here, which is nice. Off to the left, what do we got here? Linen closet. Okay. You got the synthetic carpet, it feels like. The padding on here is pretty good. Let's see what we have off to the left here. So we got 2 bedrooms on the second floor. Laundry room off to the left. But did you notice on this, in these 3 rooms right here, you got a transfer grill for the AC. your laundry. Oh, drop the piece of paper. Time to take a shot. So you have vinyl flooring, standard Whirlpool, washer and dryer, chicken wire. Oh yeah, you got your, what is that right there? You got your fart fan. You got your 36-inch on the smart panel boxes. See, let's open it up and see what they got. Oh yeah. So on this one right here, it looks like you have Cat 6. Oh, I just got shocked. You got a bunch of Cat 6 right here. You got your coax for your cables. Okay. That's nice that this one actually has a Smurf tube. So that's cool. I definitely do love that product. And they give you an outlet too as well. So that's perfect. So here is a bedroom. Queen size bed. Okay. I think also what I'm going to start to do is do video tours on the builder, on their frames, as far as like the interior, so that way you guys can really see what you get for the product and how it's built. Let me know in the comments below, because I did one for a spec for a client that I did a couple days ago. It didn't get that many views, but it was great content though. Not too sure why. Everybody just wants to see like beautiful homes. So it looks like you do have the option on here too as well to do low voltage alarm systems on every single window. Now you can definitely pre-wire this, but at this point on the second floor, do you really need this? I don't know, let me know. So off to the left we have a bathroom. Now keep in mind, you have 2 bedrooms here. If you have 2 bedrooms here, so this bathroom services the 2 bedrooms, right? You can't have 1 sink. You got to have 2 sinks for the resale value. Again, you have your Corian. You have your cast iron sink. You got your tub shower combo. This looks like a 2-piece on here. Okay. Now, as far as for what you get for the product, it's not bad at all. Okay. Is all this stuff like top of the line stuff? No, it's not. Okay. But what you get for the money, the value is here. Now, I can definitely make some changes here and make this home, you know, a kick-ass home. Now, the only thing is that you're going to be limited to what options. For me, I would try to spec this thing out as much as I can with all structural. 3rd floor services a game room. Not bad. And I believe you can also add a rooftop deck. I'm not too sure on this model, but the rooftop decks are very pricey. Last one I spec'd out was like $34,000. So you got an upgrade here. A couple upgrades you're going to do the cabinet. You're going to have to run your electrical. Okay. Again, 8-foot ceilings. Let's see if we can go outside. I'm out of shape. And I haven't hit the gym for some time. For some apparent reason, my... Oh, so they locked this. Totally understandable. So, my left foot is still about 25% numb. And what is weird is I can't push down on my left foot. Like the calf is not working. So, still going through therapy. Now you got your Petrofina here. Now what Petrofina is, this is all recyclable granite basically. Or composite materials. I believe it's crushed granite from what I remember. So you got some shelves. Looks like you have a second thermostat here. You do have a bunch of return lines here. What I like about this is that you have a full bedroom here with a balcony. Wow, this is gorgeous. Now, if you were a teen, this is definitely the room to be in. I mean, take a look at this. You got your balcony here. Let's see if we can go outside. Okay. Okay. Nope. Can't go outside. This gives you an idea. Now, this is like more for a teen room. I mean, I love this. How long this is. So you have like a little retreat area here if you wanted to, right? You have your office, your desk here, your TV here. I love that. Not bad at all. Look at this. Walk-in closet. Now the HOAs here are $45 a month, which is great. You have the bathroom. Now upstairs here, because you have a loft and also a bedroom, I definitely would just only have one sink, which would make sense. And I noticed this cabinet is higher. This is a 36-inch on the cabinet here, which makes sense. Well, let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are about this property, if you can see yourself living here. I definitely would try to open up this railing right here. Put some, put in open railing versus that pony wall. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And don't forget to visit lvhomeexperts.com. Great website to get started. Also, don't forget to hit that notification button too as well. We talked about early bird gets the worm. So again, we got 170 something lots being released. And I want you to be the first to get it. So if you guys are into these type of homes, let me know. I'm going to link you up with Scott. Other than that, I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys from the bottom of my heart. You guys have a blessed day. Be blessed, folks.